Hello everyone, welcome back to this section on what data analysis is all about. In today's section, we'll be talking about opportunities in data analysis. Alright, let's go into my slides. The demand for skilled data analysts is growing across industries as organizations increasingly rely on data to guide decisions. Here are the key opportunities. Career opportunities. Data analysis offers diverse career paths including data analysts, focused on analyzing data sets to generate actionable insights. Business analyst, who bridges the gap between business needs and data-driven solutions. Market research analyst, studies market trends and consumer behavior. Financial analyst, interprets financial data for budgeting, investments, and forecasting. Operations analyst, improves efficiency by analyzing operational data. Risk analyst, assesses and mitigates potential risk in business processes. Data visualization specialist designs clear and impactful visual representations of data. Let's go over to the next. Industry opportunities. Data analysis skills are in demand across various industries. I'll be looking at some of these industries, and these industries are healthcare, finance, retail, technology, education, and government. Now let's go into details. Healthcare, analyzing patient data to improve treatment and predict outbreaks. Finance, managing risk, fraud detection, and investment strategies. Retail, understanding customer preferences and optimizing inventory. Technology, enhancing product performance and user experience. Education, monitoring student performance and personalizing learning. And then governments, allocating resources and creating public policies. Now let's look at freelance and consulting. Many organizations require temporary or project-specific data analysis. Freelancers can provide services in data visualization, report generation, and statistical analysis. Consultants offer expertise in designing workflows, optimizing business processes, and making strategic recommendations. Now the next. Entrepreneurial opportunities. Now let's look at this in details. Data training services. Offering courses or training programs in data analysis tools like Excel, Tableau, Power BI, SQL, Python, and others. Data consultancy, advising businesses on data collection, analysis and strategy. Product development, creating tools or platforms to simplify data analysis. And then let's look at the global demand. Remote work. The ability to work for companies worldwide due to the digital nature of data analysis. High salaries. Data analysts command competitive salaries due to their specialized skill set. Upskilling potential. Analysts can transition into advanced roles like data scientist, machine learning engineer, or artificial intelligence specialist. Now let's look at the next. Why pursue a career in data analysis? Here is why you should and any other person is expected to pursue a career in data analysis. One of it says high demand. Every industry requires skilled data professionals. There's also the job stability. As data grows exponentially, the need for data analysts remains strong. We also have versatility. Opportunities exist across multiple sectors and job roles, and then impactful work. Analysts contribute to decision-making processes that shape organizational success. Thank you everyone for staying true to the end of this video. See you in class.